In this video, we'll see how to calculate payback period. Now, what is payback period? Payback period means the number of years a company takes to recover its initial investment. Now, looking at the same question, we can see the company is making an investment or is considering an investment of 3,50,000 for machine 1 as well as for machine 2. So we need to see in how many years the company will be able to recover 3,50,000 from the given cash flow. So we'll start working out. So we'll write down the number of years here and the cash flow. So for first year, second year, third year, fourth year and fifth year as given in the question, we're just going to write the cash flow here. So this is our cash flow for 5 years. Now from this cash flow we need to see in how many years the company is able to recover 3,50,000. So to simplify this, we'll write down the accumulated cash flow. So accumulated cash flow is nothing but like how much cash flow we are getting at the end of years. So in the first year we are getting 40,000. At the end of second year we are getting 40,000 plus 1,20,000. So we are going to add both these numbers. So what we get is 1,60,000. At the end of third year we'll add first, second and third year cash flow. So what we'll get is 3,20,000. Now at the end of fourth year we are going to sum up first, second, third and fourth year cash flow. So what we get is 5,60,000. At the end of fifth year what we get is the sum of all 5 years cash flow. So we get 7,20,000 at the end of fifth year. But our motive here is to see after how many years the company is able to recover the initial investment. So what is the initial investment of our company, right? So this is our investment and we are able to recover investment of 3,20,000 at the end of third year. So that means at least 3 years are taken by the company and few more months from the fourth year. So 3,20,000 is the amount we are able to generate after 3 years. So what is the balance amount left? 30,000, right? If we deduct 3,20,000 from 3,50,000, what we get is 30,000. So 30,000 is required to recover from 2,40,000 in the fourth year. From this amount, we are going to recover the balance amount, which is 30,000. Okay, so we'll write down the formula for payback. That means we are, taking 3 years, at least 3 years, plus how much more amount is required? 30,000, and from which we are able to we'll be covering up this amount from 2,40,000, which is the cash flow of the fourth year. So you have to divide 30,000 by 2,40,000. Okay, so again 3 plus, and here what we get is 0.125. So the amount which we get, the number of years which are taken by the company is 3.125 years to recover its initial investment, and this is for machine 1. Okay, so this is for machine 1. The company is able to recover the cash flow after 3.125 years. Now same way we are going to calculate for machine 2. So here we write down the machine 2 cash flow. So again we are going to write the cash flow. The cash flow is given in the question, so we consider this cash flow here for 5 years. Okay, so this is our cash flow for machine 2, and again we are going to write down the accumulated cash flow. Okay, so accumulated cash flow, as I told you earlier, you just have to sum, like for first year it's going to be same 1,20,000. At the end of first year we are going to get the same cash flow. At the end of second year we are going to get 1,20,000 plus 1,60,000. That means we are getting 2,80,000. At the end of third year, what we get is the total of first, second and third year cash flow. So what we get is 4,80,000. Same way for year 4, we are getting at the end of year 4 we are getting 6 lakh, and at the end of fifth year we are getting 6,80,000. So again we have to see like after how many years the company is able to recover 3,50,000, because it is investing same amount in both the machines. So the investment will remain same. Now you can see from here the company is able to get 2,80,000 at the end of second year, but at the end of third year they are getting some more amount, 4,80,000. So it would be somewhere near to 2 years, right? So how much more amount is required? 70,000. 70,000 how? If I deduct 2,80,000 from 3,50,000, okay, so what I get is 70,000. Okay, so again the formula for payback period is 2 plus years, because they are taking at least 2 years. So 2 plus years, and what is the balance amount which is needed? 70,000. So 3,50,000 minus 2,80,000 is 70,000. And from where are they going to recover the 70,000? From the third year cash flow. So this is 2 lakh. Okay, so 2 years plus, and if I divide 70,000 by 2 lakh, I get 0.35, and what the value I get is 2.35 years. Now in payback period, we'll always consider the number which is less. I mean, the company should always consider that machine or that project from which it is able to recover the investment at the earliest. So here it is taking, in machine 2 it is taking 2.35 years, whereas in machine 1 it is taking more number of years. So hence machine 2 is more beneficial, more profitable, because they are able to get um, or recover the initial investment faster than machine 1.